Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget, and also we can use an application. But let's get started with use a widget. And you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top, and right here Add Widget. Scroll down and you need to find batteries. And right here we have it. Click on it, and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you, and then click Add Widget. And you can check battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your speaker is turned on and connected to your phone. Now, the second option is to use your application and open it. Open SOUNDCORE application. Now, your speaker, of course, should be connected with a phone, and firstly, we can check it right here. Sorry. And right here we have icon, and here's 3 sections, and each section equal 20%. So now there is 3 sections. It means that this speaker have 60% of battery percentages. And you can also click on it and check it right here, but there is no sections. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!